Guys, I just want to say thank you really quick. We're at 1,200 subscribers, and I couldn't have been here without you guys and your support. Let's try our best to get to 5,000 subscribers. I know you guys can do it. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today we're doing the second part of the Widebody Kit for the BMW E46. So far I mounted the front splitter. I was waiting on a couple pieces before I drilled into the body. I was waiting for the side skirts, the M3 side skirts, and I was waiting for the splitter rods. And so those two pieces came in. Gonna attach the splitter rods for the front bumper with the splitter, and the M3 side skirts came in, so we're gonna pop that back on, and that way we're able to now mount the Widebody Kit. So let's get started. So I just want to go and show you guys, I removed the old side skirts from the BMW and I got the new M3 side skirts right over here. So far I popped one in and it's a perfect fit. It's amazing. I just gotta secure the clips on the bottom and that's it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. As you guys can see, I already mounted the side skirts for the kit. So far it's coming together. Guys, just by looking at this car is coming together really well. I'm just gonna go ahead and mount the over fenders and make it fit, line it up, and then we're gonna start drilling. So just to show you guys, we've got the Widebody Kit already sanded down and primed, and I sanded it again afterwards so that way it's nice and smooth. That way once I get to the wrapping portion, it's going to be nice and easy to wrap the car. It's the same exactly what I did with the front bumper and the rear bumper on the car. That way it made it easier to wrap. But the overall progress of this came out really well. I got the kit, sanded it down, primed it the same day, and then let it dry. I applied a little bit of Bondo in some places, and then it was good to go. It looks pretty sweet. If anyone wants the BMW 325 Ci side skirts, let me know. Comment, Instagram, DM me, whatever. But the car looks pretty good. Like, I'm excited. Like, the new side skirts fit perfectly. I did get it used because I didn't want to spend, because apparently, weird is, if I bought a brand new set of the side skirts, they're $200, not a bad price, but it was another $100 in just shipping because I had to go via freight. And I was like, screw that. So I looked up some of them used ones off of eBay, found a coupe one, and it fits. But this front is looking really aggressive now. Can't wait to see how it's gonna look after the kit. And of course my baby right over here. Let me know what else I should do next. I do want to do a wide body for this one. So if you've already done it, message me or whatever, get in contact with me because I will pay you to get it done. Or if you know someone in the Dallas area that can do a custom wide body kit, message me again and I will pay to get it done because I want a wide body this Accord. If I can't find anyone within the next 2-3 months that can do a wide body for this car, I'm probably just gonna find a way to do it myself, as in like retrofit off of a car and make it fit for this car. But that is gonna take some time. The car will probably be out of commission for a little bit, but this car looks so aggressive and so sweet. Oh, fun fact, guys. So this is the last generation Honda is doing the Accord coupes. Honda is no longer doing any more coupes for their Accord line. So this car is like another Honda S2000. Like, they discontinued that. They're discontinuing the Accord coupes. So this car is a lot more valuable to me, and I love it. Okay, so now we got the rear over fender completed with the new M3 side skirts. I used Cleco clamps to drill it in and then to hold it in place before I get the fancy hardware. Fancy hardware is gonna look something just like this from Downstar Hardware, but everything looks really good. Fitment is on point. Now I just gotta do the front and the other two sides. Guys, look how clean this car looks. The fitment is great. It lines up perfectly with this entire car. Just gotta do a lot of cutting, that's it. But this car looks so good. I'm sorry I haven't been showing the actual process. It's because it's just me and my little cousin, and it's a little hard to drill and do everything and record at the same time. But basically what we had to do, we lined it up and then we made one little drill here, and put in the speaker clamp. And then same thing, we did another one up top, another one at the bottom. That way we can line it up. And then once we got all 3 pilot holes in, then we went ahead and did the rest. But it's come together really, really well. So the front over fenders, especially with the front lip, looks super aggressive, which is exactly what I wanted. Now we got this side done. We just gotta go ahead and do the passenger side, and we should be good. Guys, the entire wide body kit is mounted successfully. It took us like what, about an hour and a half to get all of it mounted. Again, we're selling it in with Pico clamps. I'm gonna put it in the description where I got the Pico clamps from, and it wasn't too bad. I ordered like 50 pieces and it took care of all this entire kit. Plus I had like what, 3 to 4 pieces left over. But this looks clean. Oh my god. And again, it's gonna be a little bit on gap on the bottom because I still gotta cut it a little bit, but still. So that's basically it for today's video. We mounted the wide body kit for the BMW E46 on the car. Fitment on it was great. There was a little bit of things I had to do. I have to do a little bit more, but overall fitment, it's perfect. It's great. That's all I'm gonna do for today. In the next videos, I'm gonna be actually cutting up the car and then mounting it properly then. But that's basically it for today. Please share, subscribe, and like. We'll catch you guys in the next video. See you guys.